so here we are just at the last stages. The ceiling's done. It's all cut in, as you can see. And now we're just taping off to do the trim and molding. So that's all good, looking real good. Walls are already done. Same over here. Walls are done, ceiling's done. All nice and cut nice. As you can see, real good cuts on the ceilings. Walls look great. Just getting ready to get everything taped off here as well. And in here too, we're gonna be knocking all 3 rooms out in one shot with the trim. Looks good, looks good. Good cuts, good cut-ins. All right, looks great. And then also this got a first coat on the closets. They're kind of dark, so you can't really see much, but we'll get a better view of that later. Okay. And then in the hallway, we're getting ready to take the hallway off next. Can't really see. I need to get my work light on in the hallway. There ain't no light on that section of it. But ready to take these off next. And the ceiling is already done too, as you can see. What we did here is created a cut here across, and then that'll just fade into there later. All right, here we are. Coming in to the first bedroom. It's all done finally. Ceiling looking good, real nice and bright. Okay. Nice. Okay. Also the closet looks good in here. Okay, so that's the first bedroom. Okay. All right, that's one. Okay. Then we'll go to the next one. This one's also done. Even the vents looking good. Ceiling looks good, good. Nice cut-ins. Nice trim on the windows. Okay. Will be the hallway here. Consider this a whole room. All the trim done. Ceiling's done.
Now the ceiling, we're doing a line right here, and then it's going to cut off into this stairway, which is, you know, a whole room by itself coming down, of course. But we're just getting ready to start that next, along with upstairs. That still has to be done. But anyway, so we got the hallway here, all the trim done, ceiling coming around the corner. One thing I'll note, I'm gonna do later, just I'm gonna come through and just touch up on the doors where there's like a lot of specks of white stuff. I'm gonna clean those up just as an extra bonus for you. No extra charge. Just I've been doing that as I go. I just haven't done these yet. But I'm gonna do that later. I got like final touch-ups I'm gonna do in every room. That's gonna be one of my touch-ups. It's just like I already did the bathroom door already, but I'm gonna try to do the rest of them, you know, later on once I get ready to do final touch-ups. Yeah, then we'll do that. There's gonna be final touch-ups and all the way around, just looking for anything we missed, any little things that might be missed. We'll just touch up. But we always go around one more time and look everything over. But yeah, there's the hallways done. That's considered another room done. All right.